In this video, we will see about what is class, what is object, how to define a class in Java, how to define an object in Java, as well as the difference between class and the object. Firstly, see what is class. Class is the blueprint, or we can say it is an instance of a class. It can be defined as a template which describes the data and behavior associated with its instance. For example, blueprint of a house is a class. Second is object. Object is an instance of a class. It is an entity which has an behavior and a state. Now see, this is the diagram where you can understand the class and the object. Suppose we have one class. The name of class is car. Okay. So see what are the different types of car. Suppose I am taking two different types of car. One is a Ford car and second one is Toyota car. So here car is your class and Ford is your one object of a class and Toyota is another object of a class. So class has a property as well as the method, and object has its own property as well as the methods. Methods of the object that can be same with that of class, but properties of every object that should be the different. So this is your class and object. See here, car is your one class and we have created object of a class. So one object is your Ford car and second object is your Toyota car. Class has properties as well as methods and object has properties as well as the methods. And see here, second object, that is Toyota, it has its own properties as well as methods. Methods of the object are similar with the class, but properties of the objects, these properties of these different cars, that should be different. Now see the difference between class and the object. Class defines the collection of properties and the methods in single unit, which doesn't change during the execution of the program. So here the properties and the methods of a class that cannot change during the execution of a program, but objects are created and eventually destroyed during the execution of a program. This is the first difference. In second case, class is created once. You can create this car class only once, but objects created from same class many times as they require. That means we can create many objects many times, but class is created only once. This is the second difference. Now see the third difference. There is no memory space allocation for the class when they are created, while memory space is allocated for the object when they are created. So this is the third difference. When class is created, at that time memory space is not allocated for the class, but when you are going to create object of a class, at that time memory space is allocated for that particular object. So this is the third difference. Now see the syntax of class and the object. So for creating class in Java, you have to use the keyword, that is class keyword. So see here, firstly you have to write the keyword, that is class. So here is class. After that you have to write down the class name. So this is your class name. Then opening braces. After that you have to write down the public static void main. So instead of writing public static void main, I am writing P as NV. Inside the bracket string ARGS square bracket. Close the strings bracket. Then you have to write the opening braces, and here inside this you have to write down the fields, or we can say the methods as well as the properties of the class. Methods and the property. So this is the syntax for class. Now if you want to create an object of a class, now see how to create an object of a class. So for creating object of a class, you have to write down the class name. For which class you want to create an object of a class. Suppose your class name is what? So here I am writing class name. Then you have to write down the object name. Suppose my object name is obj1. Okay, so here is equals to, after that you have to write down is equals to, then new. New is a keyword which allocate the memories, which allocate the space into memory for that particular object. So here we are allocating the memory by using new keyword. After that again you have to write down the class name. So this is a syntax for creating object of a class. Okay, now I will take one example where I will create a class. After that I will create an object of a class. Suppose my class name is what? Here is keyword class for creating a class. Then I am using the, then I am writing the class name. Suppose my class name is hello. So here I am writing hello. Okay, then opening curly braces, then I am writing main function, that is public static void main in bracket string args square bracket, close the bracket, then again opening bracket. Suppose I am writing some properties and methods inside the class. So I am suppose writing here int gear is equals to 5 semicolon. Then I am creating method of a class. This is the data type. This is also known as the state or fields of a class. Then I am writing the method of a class. Suppose I am writing method name as a void is a return type, then I am writing breaking is my method name. So here is my breaking function or breaking method. Then opening bracket, inside that suppose I want to print something. So for that I am using the print function, that is system dot out dot println. This is a function which behaves same as that of printf in C. So I am writing here suppose working of breaking. Now close the quotation, close the bracket, semicolon, close the method. So this is how I have created method. Now I want to create a object of a class. How to create object of a class? Creating object. So for creating object of a class you have to write down the class name. So my class name is hello. So here I am writing hello. Then I have to write down the object name. Suppose my object name is obj1 is equals to, I have to write down new. Then again you have to write down the class name. So my class name is hello. Then function. Here I have created the object of a class. Now how to call the method? So if I want to call a breaking method of a hello class, for that I have to write down the object name. So my object name is obj1 dot breaking. So here I have called the method of a hello class. Then I will close the main function, then I will close the class. This is how we have created object and class.